Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in our previous video, we discussed that the perimeter is nothing but the distance around the shape. And I give you a work to do. And in this work, it means perimeter, which is, we said let P be equals to perimeter, is nothing but 8 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. It gives us nothing but 19 centimeter. Since it's just a perimeter, let us take a look in another shape. For example, this shape here. So if this shape is having a unit of measure of 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and here 7 centimeter, and we are asked to look for the perimeter. Remember, nothing changes, it's just the distance around the shape. We still get 19 centimeters in this shape. And even if we are to get maybe a rhombus or a parallelogram, let us make a parallelogram. As you can see, this is a parallelogram in this case. So if you're having a parallelogram and we are having 7.2 centimeters, and also let us say here we are having 4.8 centimeter. It means this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. So when you are looking for perimeter, you just say perimeter is equals to bracket of 7.2 centimeters plus 4.8 centimeters bracket, and everything you have to multiply by 2. If that is the case, you get nothing but 24 centimeters, because we are saying 7.2 and 4.8. We get 0, we get 1. Here we get nothing but 12. So if it is 12 centimeter times 2, we get 24 centimeters. I think this is all for this video. See you on the next lesson where we look into the word problems with the perimeter. Bye-bye.